Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to use some woods or branch or this one is a driftwood. As you can see, we put something here in the end that is to put it right on the bottom of this pot to stop it from moving, and so that also it's not easy for it to come out. So I already got one here. It already have a potting mix, so I don't use soil, I do use potting mix. But first we will put gloves on. So we're all ready to go. So we will do this one first. I have a beautiful devil's ivy here, or we call it Golden Pothos. There's a few in here, so we will do, I'm gonna use two of it. So that's the end part of the plant. Just gotta remove the damaged leaf. This is how I do it. I put it round and round first. Very good. That's looking good. So that should do. As you can see. Then we can do it like this. Okay. So we're just gonna tie it temporarily. I always remove damaged leaf. It also helps to produce regrow new leaves all the time. Okay, so we have a damaged one in here. We have to cut that too. Okay. Some string. Always wear gloves when you're handling with potting mix, but it's okay to take it off to tie your plant. Okay, so we want the roots to touch the branch or the wood, so that when it's established, it will attach itself, so that it will attach itself to the wood. Just get the long string. Okay, now as you can see, that's quite beautiful. So this one goes here, tuck in underneath, it's hidden, and this one twist it that way. And I did 2 plants for the day using the branch of a tree, and the other one is a driftwood. Just remember, when you tie the plant into the sticks or the wood, just remember not to tie it too much. Leave a space for the plant to grow, and so that you don't choke them. And that's my vlog for the day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give us a like. Leave me a comment below of what you think of my vlog, or if you have any suggestion, please do so. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And that's all for today. See you next time.